Hello, children. We have seen that somehow the doctor was saved from that poisonous cobra and which was interested in looking into the mirror at his own beauty. So, the doctor ran to the veranda and then to the yard without worrying about the darkness all over there. And all those who were listening the doctor, they sighed with relief that at least the doctor was saved. And somebody asked, doctor, is your wife very fat? Because you have seen that the doctor was thinking his wife would be fat, and whenever he would do some silly mistake, she would not be able to chase or catch him. So at that, the doctor said, no. The doctor said, God willed otherwise. The doctor replied, no, the God desired something else. My life companion is a thin, reedy person with the gift of a sprinter. He told that his life companion, his wife, she is very thin person and the gift of a sprinter, means she is gifted as a fast runner. So someone else asked, doctor, when you ran, did the snake follow you? And now one more person, those who were sitting there, one of them, he asked the doctor if he was chased by the snake whenever he was running away from that snake. So the doctor replied, I ran and ran till I reached a friend's house. At that, the doctor replied that he was continuously running till he reached a friend's house, and immediately I smeared oil all over myself and took a bath. And he also told that there immediately he applied oil all over his body and took a bath. I changed into fresh clothes, and he also changed his clothes. He put on, or he wore new clothes, fresh clothes you can say. The next morning at about 8:30 I took my friend and one or two others to my room to move my things from there. So in the very next day, at about 8:30, he took his friend and one or two others to take his things from his room. So he wanted to run away, he wanted to leave that room also, but we found we had little to carry. But when they reached at that room, they found that there were few things to carry. Some thief had removed most of my things, that most of his things were stolen by a thief. The room had been cleaned out. The room was now cleaned by that thief, but it was not really cleaned. The thief had left behind one thing as a final insult. So one thing was left there by the thief to insult the doctor. What was that, I asked. So one person who's telling the story, he asked what was that thing which was left by that thief, which the left did not steal. The doctor said, my best. It's known to you that it's an undergarment. So the dirty one, he said that he left my vest which was dirty, and the fellow had such a sense of cleanliness. Mean this the thief, he was really a person of, or he was having a good sense of cleanliness, such a hygienic thief he was. The rascal could have taken it and used it after washing it with soap and water. Rascal mean rogue. That rascal, he should have taken that vest also and used it after washing with soap and water. Did you see the snake the next day, doctor? And he also asked the doctor whether he saw that snake the very next day when he went to the room to take his things. The doctor laughed. I have never seen it since. And the doctor laughed and replied, no, he had never seen that snake. It was a snake which was taken with its own beauty. Taken with mean attracted with. So it was a snake which was attracted by its own beauty. So the lesson is finished. And I hope you might have liked this, such a funny, humorous lesson. And that's all for today. Rest will do afterwards.